In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Gmail attachments directly to your Google Drive, along with sharing two other secret tricks to help you streamline your email management. Whether you're looking to free up space in your inbox, or just want an easier way to organize your attachments, this process will make your life a whole lot simpler. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to start by visiting your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, hit that search bar at the top of your Gmail window and type it in has attachment to bring up all the emails in your inbox that come with attachments. This search function is a fantastic time saver, allowing you to quickly locate the emails that contain files you might want to save or manage differently. It's worth remembering for the future. Now that you've pulled up the list of emails with attachments, scroll through and find the specific email that contains the attachment you need. As you open that email, you'll see the file attached right at the bottom of the email thread. It's important to carefully review the email content to ensure it's the correct file you need before proceeding to the next step. Hover over the attachment file and you'll notice several icons appear alongside it. One of these icons will resemble the familiar triangular shape representative of Google Drive. This is where the magic happens. Clicking this Add to Drive icon will initiate the transfer of your attachment directly into your Google Drive account. This quick step ensures your important documents are safely stored, reducing the risk of losing them while also keeping your inbox tidy. Keep in mind, utilizing Google Drive to store your attachments not only helps with organization, but also allows for easy access from any device simply by logging into your Drive account. It's an incredibly efficient way to keep all your important documents centralized and secure. While these steps focus on Gmail's built-in tools, there are external applications and browser extensions that might offer additional features or automation, helping you further streamline this process. However, mastering the basics with Gmail's native functions is a great start and often sufficient for most users' needs. There you go. You've just learned how to effortlessly save your Gmail attachments directly to Google Drive, enhancing both your productivity and organizational skills. By practicing these steps, you'll not only declutter your inbox, but also ensure that your important documents are conveniently accessible whenever you need them. Thanks for joining me today. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tips and tricks on making your digital life easier. Stay tuned for those extra secret tricks I mentioned, and happy organizing.